Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Beyond the Briefcase. So today we'll discuss defamation under tort law. So basically defamation is included under the BNS, that is under criminal law as well as under tort law. But today we'll be discussing defamation as it is stated or as it comes to be understood under the tort law. So basically defamation could be defined as a tort that involves making false statements about someone to some third person, that is with the intention to harm their reputation in the eyes of that third person. So defamation is basically classified into two types, that is slander or libel. So slander are basically the statements which are spoken, such as it could be verbal insults or the false accusations that are imposed by someone on any other person. Libel on the other hand are basically categorized as opposite to slander because they are written, and slander was a spoken statement, but they are written or published statements. They could be in the form of articles, books, social media posts or anything else. So now what would you think would be the elements of defamation? So the elements of defamation are basically if you understand it in very easy terms, it is that defamation would only constitute to be any offense because if we say anything about any other person, that is generally not an offense. But when does it constitutes an offense and when does it comes under defamation could only be understood by the elements of it. So first is false statement. Any statement must have been made which is false and not a truth. The second is the publication. There should be publications or there should be a communication that should have taken place to a third party. The communication that would constitute a third element is that must be in the nature of causing harm to the reputation of the party. And there must be the fourth element present, that is defendant must have been negligent or reckless in making the statement. So now what do you think could be the defenses to defamation? Defenses to defamation would come out of this only, that is truth. If there is a truth that has been spoken or there is an opinion that has been given, that would not be actionable in the eyes of law. So this was all about defamation in short. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel.